Did you know that you're probably a witch yourself? Hi, welcome to Lighthouse Tarot, where we embrace the light within ourselves and within others. I'm your host, Willow. Yeah, you might be a witch. And do you know why? Because words are spells. Words are spells. That's why it's so important for how you talk to yourself. That's why a lot of people will say, don't speak badly about yourself. Don't say that something bad will happen, because with the law of attraction, like attracts like. Where your focus goes, energy grows. You can have anything you want in this world. You can have that beautiful relationship. You could have $1 million. You could have that special car. You can have whatever you want in this world as if you speak it into existence, if you write it down. Because let me tell you, when it comes to like manifesting money, what I like to do is I'll make a list of everything I want when I have that certain amount of money. And then I'll make another list over the big purchases I want when I have that income, and a list of what money I'm going to use to invest in myself, invest in my business. Words are power. Why do you think some people suddenly get well when the chaplain comes and prays on them and he puts hands on people? Not in a crazy, not like fighting way. He literally puts his hands on people, because that is where your energy sources are from. Your hands and your feet. That's why people say that you need to ground yourself every day, which is taking your shoes and socks off and walking in the earth, because the earth is letting go of electromagnetic energy. You pick up that electromagnetic energy from your hands and your feet, and you've got to let it go and integrate into Mother Nature and then bring it back. And that's why whenever someone's crying, you put a hand on your back, because that gives them a sense of relief. You're transferring your care onto them. When you pray for someone, you're transferring your energy on them from your hands. And it's just crazy to me how many people will just say crazy things about themselves, crazy negative things they'll speak negative things into their reality. Use the law of attraction to speak positivity. What if it happened and everything was great? What if it happened better than I thought it would? You know? Say, I'm rich. I have multiple streams of income. I'm successful. I'm popular. I'm everyone's favorite YouTuber. Whatever your thing is, go big. And you'll be surprised what happens. Bye, guys.